couple things I did to make the game a little bit better is number one, I moved the score over a little bit so it's 350 instead of 375. Also, with the white lines, I have, instead of having like the cars, the velocity change by the score only when the cars reach 500, I have the white lines doing that right away. So you can see white line 1 and white line 2, the velocity is the score divided by 4 plus 1. Because right when I start the game, I want those white lines to go a little bit slower and gradually gain speed as the game goes and as my score goes. And so it'll look like my car is gradually getting faster and faster based off of the white lines right from the start. An additional thing that you can do, because right now you can, if you move over here, you can go all the way to the end. You can actually put different sprites over on the sides and to make sure that your car can't go that way. And so it's pretty easy. You just put an animation in. For some reason, I have this huge animal head in here, and it's pretty big. You can see. So whatever, it doesn't matter what the how big it is. But if you put it underneath the road, you won't even see it. So if you go up to the top here, and if you draw it first, and I'll just say edge, create sprite at 200 and 200, and then my sprite is going to be called edge, and I want it to be the animal chick head. Okay, so now when I run it, you're not going to see it, but it's going to be right in the middle of the screen. So I want it to be kind of over on the side here. So I'm going to say like 400 all the way over here and down to like 400, or sorry, like 350 as well. That way it's where my black car is. So it's going to be probably right about here. So now what I will do on the bottom is I'm going to say that my black car is actually going to collide with the black car is going to collide with my edge, my picture. So now when it runs, it can't move over. Now my picture is super big, so instead of saying 400, I might say like 525. And so now when I run it and I move over, I can only go that far. Okay, and I can't go anymore because it's colliding and it's just staying there. Now if I did one here and then I did one on the other side, so I would make edge 2, and I would say negative 125, 350.